Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can get more free coins for the Clapper. I've got the modded version of Clapper, which is Clapper++, which is working for any Android or iOS devices. I have an iPhone right here in this tutorial, but if you have any Android devices, then don't worry, this mode will be also working for any Android devices. So right now I will show you how the mode works, the Clapper coins mode APK. So let's get to my Clapper coins, and as you can see I've got already a lot of coins, a lot of Clapper coins, and to get more free coins all I need to do is to click on right here, and each click gives me 1000 of Clapper coins. So that is the easiest way to get more Clapper coins for free. I can keep clicking to get more coins, but how to download this awesome mode? You need to go to the emulator page, as you can see right here on the watermark. It is bluedeals.club. Go to your browser, go to this website, search for the Clapper++ Clapper mode APK and select your platform, Android or iOS, because it is working for both, and then download it to your device. If you have any troubles with downloading this Clapper mode, then check the tutorial in which you will know how to download this awesome Clapper coins mode. So let's add some more coins. The mode is working really great. So this is the Clapper++ mode APK for any Android or iOS devices. So I think that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and bye.